parrots sitting in a tree, ducks, swans, pelicans, and toucans swimming in water, eagles and kites soaring high in the sky. Easy ways to remember: think of a pelican as a water can with its pouch. Think of a toucan as a colorful Coke can because of its vibrant beak. Habitats: TBWCS, trees, bushes, water, coal, sky. Bird types: DMK, ducks, mynas, kites, eagles. Birds can live in different places such as trees, bushes, shrubs, near water and in dry and cold places. Birds like crows, mynas and parrots live on trees. Ducks, swans and pelicans live in water and are called water birds. Eagles and kites spend most of their time flying in the sky in search of food. Body parts of birds and their functions: shortcut. Every wise leader takes care boldly. Each word corresponds to a bird's body part and its function. E, eyes help the bird to see. W, wings help the bird to fly. L, legs help the bird to walk and fly. T, tail helps in steering during flight. C, claws found on the legs for gripping. B, beak used for eating and pecking. Claws can be thought of as C plus laws, symbolizing curved laws because they are curved, sharp extensions on a bird's legs. These curved laws help birds grip branches, catch prey, and defend themselves effectively. A beak can be broken into B plus E, symbolizing the peak of a bird's face. Just like a mountain peak is sharp and pointed, a bird's beak is a sharp, prominent part used for eating, pecking, and other tasks. There are three types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. A Boeing flies with strong wings. Flight feathers, shaped body, body feathers, and soft, cozy interiors, down feathers. How do birds fly? Boat-shaped bodies, well-developed wings, tailbones are hollow. Boat-shaped body helps it float in water, and a boat-shaped body helps birds glide in the air. Sails or paddles help a boat move, and well-developed wings help birds fly. Steer is used to change a boat's direction, and a tail helps birds steer during flight. Inside the boat is hollow to make it light, and bones are hollow to make birds light for flight. Birds: pigeons, swallows, crows fly long distances. Sparrows, peacocks, turkeys cannot fly very far. Eagles, vultures, kites fly at great heights and have sharp eyesight. Ostriches, emus are flightless birds and live on land. Shortcut to remember: PSCS for long distance flyers. Wings are friends, birds. Word window: wings are friends, birds. Editing. Distance flyers: pigeons, swallows, crows. SPT for short distance flyers: sparrows, peacocks, turkeys. EVK for high flyers: eagles, vultures, kites. OE for flightless birds: ostriches, emus. Summary: PSCS soar the skies 4 miles. SPT stay close to home. EVK rule the heights, and OE walk the land. Nest of the birds: tailor. A tailor works with finished fabric. They cut and sew the fabric to make clothing or other items. Example: a tailor stitches a shirt from cotton cloth. Weaver. A weaver creates fabric by interlacing threads. They work on looms to produce cloth or other woven materials. Example: a weaver weaves cotton threads into cloth. Key difference: a weaver makes the fabric while a tailor uses the fabric to create finished products. Nests: birds lay eggs and raise their young in nests. Materials for nests: grass, twigs, feathers, paper, cloth, rags, leaves. Types of nests: tailorbird makes nests by sewing large leaves together. Weaver bird weaves nests with grass, strips of leaves, or roots. Summary: birds build nests with natural materials like grass, twigs, and leaves. The tailorbird stitches leaves like a tailor, while the weaver bird weaves intricate nests like a skilled artist. Sounds made by birds: call a single repeated sound made by birds. Song a series of musical notes in a definite pattern. Nightingale and cuckoo birds known for producing musical notes. Parrots birds that imitate human sounds. Sparrows birds that make a soft sweet sound. Crows birds that make a harsh sound. Easy way to remember. CSP birds call song, parrot call, think of crows calling harshly. Song, think of nightingales and cuckoos singing musical songs. Parrot, think of a parrot repeating your words like an echo. Shortcut, crows call sparrows sing, nightingales shine. Task switcher. OBS